General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right. So I've just been upgrading the journal still, got my templates, my weekly profiles, I went through the old ICT notes and did all that. So when I'm blocking price, I can have kind of everything. It's week 3, options expiry. So every day this week is good. Okay, I gotta fix that midweek check-in. I'll be sitting here thinking what else I gotta build. Okay, I didn't trade today. Let's see if we got an anchor point. Let's take this out on the hour. You don't even need this. Okay. To that chart. No, definitely not. Crazy. This is insane. That is insane. Let's look at how well this is notes. Would you look at that fib? That is the sentence. That is crazy. All right, so boom, boom, boom. No anchor point there. No anchor point there. We're still kind of slow there. I can't wait to get in on this because I know that's going to run with the dollar. So there. Weekly already did that. Let's go here. See what the sessions did because we already outlined with that fib do no SMT today. This is I do like saying that. I'm gonna be able to see that even without that box. This is interesting because you can't say it's London low today, even though it was, and that low was at that time. So we do got London low today, even though London took out by side of Asia first. I think usually we take out just one side for that profile. Matter of fact, since I was looking at profiles, let me just go look at it. Yeah, classic buy day. I need probably like some buttons to where I can get back to the page real fast. They need to update Notion to put buttons on there. Y'all basically built the website builder anyway. You can do this. Classic buy day template on NASDAQ. London 2 to 4. 2 to 4. Set up. Low of the day. I think the offset of this profile is we did take can I say it's a failure swing, or did we take that high? No, we took that high. We took previous week's high. So we took it, it was induced, and then we ran. So it was a double purge. Purge here, and then go up. Some boom, boom, boom. Nope, the London double purge. Move this, go here. What's that? Time frame. Okay. This is just an extension. I think we got levels up here. No. Let's go here. Because I want to see my levels. Okay, this is the weekly projection here. I'm going to keep this. Matter of fact, and I think this is the same fib I set up on the futures. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Okay, it's just a projection. Daily. How did this daily close? Really don't like it. But we do just got projections. And since today was an expansion day, I got to watch 50% of Monday's range. Because we could just retrace tomorrow. Matter of fact, let me just set up a template for this. Maybe that'll work better. Or a fib, so that way EQ. Put some text here. 50%. 10% expansion day. And even like on targets, like for futures, I would frame this price swing. So give me, matter of fact, let me turn that into a template. Save as 50% expansion day. I wouldn't even want to use like a trend based fib like I did to get this protection. This is more of an OTE fib situation for me. Just because we're super high, I want to know what my retracement will look like. And so my target will be this -27 tomorrow. Which is 24. That was actually perfect. So this is my killing grounds. I got my fair value gap on a higher time frame. Matter of fact, let me just put this here because that's going to be the one I want to see tomorrow. Current interval and below. Bam. All right, that's the killing ground. Let me set up my OTE fib here because it wasn't cluttering my chart and I did like the way it looked, which is lining up with the weekly DOL. That's perfect for me. And let me get this because on a lower time frame, I want to know when I'm in this 1 hour fair value gap and alert here. H1 fair value gap. I'm gonna keep all my alerts on the Forex chart. This contract rollover. All these alerts are gonna move on the futures chart this week. Hold on, wait. Let me get the link. Going a little too fast. Classic expansion day. Looking to buy retracements tomorrow to take out Monday's high and maybe dig a little higher into the -0.27 level on the OTE fib extension. Alerts, set internal rates liquidity, H1 fair value gap. Here, let's go here. I'll be deep in the tribe if you did not have beverages, you did not be parched. Be like, how is it possible? Let's go to the daily. Okay, So this line is showing up everywhere. Big, 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 crazy big week. Sales is going to be the move. I think I had a line down here, but even just low hanging fruit, I'll move this up. I like that still because that'll be swing trade. But here, I got too many H1 levels. Okay, so I think it was an extension of the line. Here, this, here. All right, Control Z. This is daily. And this is Friday's candle. Because we pushed up, this needs to balance down. So watching Friday's open price as a retracement objective. After we get confirmation, maybe like on the H1, that we can take a sale. We'll be leaving Friday open price as a possible sell side objective. If we create an anchor point Tuesday or Wednesday. This is going to be silver. Let's start here so I can break down the daily profile. What is this? This is not London Lower Day. This ain't even a consolidation raid day. This is not a textbook delivery. Asia created the low. Asia took out PM. Did it take out AM? It did. Don't try session liquidity. And no, Asia session blocks are being respected. So here we pumped up over Asia, came back, dug into Asia, pumped up over Asia. I wonder if we come back into Asia, will we be respected again? That will be interesting for sure. I'm also watching this. We really, this should hold if we're truly bullish. See how this looks. Area should hold if bullish. Okay, that don't look too bad. This is right where we broke this, and we had that flat bottom here. It came back, rebalanced it. So this retracement, we'll see if it holds. This is last line of defense, and then down here, as we start thinking about buying long term. Okay. No, not classic profile. Also, know how major price action is being respected, not engineered. Yeah. Well, we won't hire. So this notion don't got like the old swing trade stuff I had, but if people just look on the old PDFs, you'll see the long term targets. Let's go here. Okay, wait. His interest in this area is this area. This, and I don't want to see anything past this, but this is it's actually pretty cool to see it like this. You have the here, here. This is actually the best area for buying on the hour chart. This is retracement, consolidation. I do like 43 as a level, and I do like reaccumulating here. This is a terrible looking push, in my opinion. Just how stagnant it is, even though it is consolidation, expansion. It's just a terrible, ugly push. Hold on, let me put one here too, so I can see if I have any confluence. Silver must be in the glory days. Okay, no, this is just the beginning of this year. It's not that far. It might be easier for me just to hit go to, but I don't know the time of the year that we was way up there. Let's see. Yeah, see, this is forever. Boom. And this is Monday, 12th of September, 2011. And go here. Go here. Then go here. Then go here. Whoa. We got us a fresh gap right here. This is engineer liquidity here. We got us some highs right about here. This high took out this high, so this high is the high. Nothing lines up for me like this 43, but I'm gonna keep this 42.6. But this has the fair value gap, so this one stands out to me a little bit more. And also this one, because this lines up with buy side liquidity. That's interesting. This is kind of just like an old high. This is a fair value gap. And this is buy side liquidity. All right, boom. Mission accomplished. Let's go over here. So we already smacked this old high. That's that reaction right there. Don't try price memory. So nothing is right here. This is just a pit. A stop hunt. So our next level is here at 43.038. I still like here for buys. This is fair value for buying. Looking at this. And from here up, anything under here we can buy. Can look for buys here on silver. Order flows bullish. We just took an old high from a long time ago. Retraced. Next target is at 43.038. It's a good trade. Enough for the week. If we dip to the H1 fair value gap. We should be able to hit the weekly objective before the FOMC nonsense kick off. This week is FOMC, so it's reduced. So is it 1%, 1%? Yeah. Let's go to the daily. If we got buy side liquidity, what is this? Here. Take that. Bing. 44. This could be monthly open too, because I think I know. Where's this monthly open? Who opened ugly? I think September did. No, it's the daily chart. Okay, so let's go here. Yeah, the monthly open here. Oh, high broken there. This is just where we left since we broke this. Buy under today's low. Makes sense, swing trade style. We do have a nice target here. Let's make this bigger. At this 44. launch pad. This reminds me of something I seen. It's called Ream. It's like range expansion. No, REIM. Anyway, it's something like you make a box, you push up, then you come back down, and then you go back up. So it's like an order block, expand, retest, go back up. It looks just like this. So buying up under here, we're starting to look for buys up under here, but knowing we can still push down to here just to retest this zone or this range, I could say. One, two, three, four, five, six. That's 6 candles. Nice little consolidation range. Nice little original consolidation, we could say, for a market maker buy model if that pops up. Oh snap. Oh snap. I hit the, there we go. I kind of miss doing the news. Even though I got the news on the page, I kind of, hold up, this. Even though I got the fancy embed, it's something about just pulling up that Forex factory I miss. Let me do that. Make Forex factory great again. Pretty much dry erase board. Buying in there. Monday's lowest ideal. Me in the buy program. Forex factory. Forex factory. Mid-week review and sulfur from CME Fed Watch. About to do this is never empty. Tomorrow, 8:30 retail sales. Okay. Let's do EU and then that's it. Asia, classic buy day. This is super classic buy day. classic buy day. Monday low created between 2 and 4. Okay, UR/USD. Shout out to England. They can just trade euro and be fine. And you don't have to worry about being at all-time highs. You always got lines on the left. It's kind of peaceful. Euro is peaceful. This is something I was looking at last week. I don't need to look at this week. We are revisiting this song, playing that EQ of it. We're going to break through it. Monday. Let's take a look at this range. So we're still inside this range. It's completely balanced. So EQ here is our key level. Don't know what this is here. Don't need it no more. I don't want this either. I want to see this, or this, or this, or this. So let me make sure I ain't delete none of my indicators. I gotta update this. Okay, I don't know. I kind of feel like I had a week thing, but I could tell this is not no week because this is the range from Wednesday to Tuesday. So from here to here, you can say, oh, you know, we're coming back up here. What's this? The monthly open. Yeah, there's no reason. And we left this. So we broke above this. And we broke above this low. New week opening gap looks interesting as well. Friday's low looks even more interesting, being that it's a major liquidity pool, but I wouldn't demand it. I will watch this candle for the breaker. Maybe make it green or something. What's this H1 bullish breaker block? I will see if we respect the breaker, the trade idea form here. To target here. It's a bread and butter approach to a week. I would want to watch Monday's high and low. That's just something I want to do over here too, being that it's an expansion day. Monday's low will be important. And this is actually Monday's low right here. I don't even like how this line looks right there, but I'm living with it. It's right here. All right, so that's better. Yeah, but for here, Monday's low. You can even go here. We do got a breaker here. We really don't have to go that far down. So add an alert on this line. EUN bullish breaker. And what's this here? 17. There's something right here too. TP1, TP2. You don't want to just say I want more money because it could reverse here and go lower. Take Monday's low. That's the killing grounds for tomorrow. Order flow is bullish. I'm thinking if we respect H1 bullish break a block, hold on, bullish break a block in London, then we can look for trade to buy some liquidity at 17. Hold on, 1.1779. Cool. I don't need to figure out the abbreviation for London. Let's make it white because it's just too red on my chart. And I got the good red on my chart. So let's just make this white. Oh, snap. Undo, Control Z. Yeah, because I don't even know what that is, but it need to stay. Okay, that's what it is. We failed to expand here. Retested that high. What's that today? Yeah, buying through here. Makes sense. Looks like the market opened up too. We look ripe. R// top frame daily. And let's get the link. All right. Things look primed to go higher. No, we keep disrespecting that old daily high. It's time for price discovery or price to discover higher prices. Okay, cool. And I'll throw this on, put this link in the Telegram. That's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.